which we call by 10 by 10 approach. Approach is basically to make the women and girls who are either in prostitution or at risk of prostitution to make them empowered. There are 10 assets which we call is importantly asset, but definitely not in terms of money or land, but it's a kind of growing their self-empowerment. So what we provide them over a period of 4 to 5 years is safe space, media and social visibility, political protection, education, government ID and documents, bank accounts and savings, government subsidies, services and entitlements like low-cost food, loan for lands or any government entitlements for housing. Then vocational and income generation skills so that they can go for alternative livelihood, legal justice and protection, 9 friends and membership of a self-empowerment group. This is basically done to address 4 basic rights, which is right to education, rights to dignified livelihood, rights to safe and independent housing, and right to legal protection. Through this approach, for the last 12 years, Apne Aap has been able to impact the lives of around 21,000 people directly and indirectly. We have seen that it has really worked on the ground, and we have seen that out of that our women and girls with whom we work directly, almost 50% of them have got legal awareness, legal camps, various legal protection. 60% of these total beneficiaries have got legal training. So it's and 50% have got access to group-based savings accounts, and almost 50% of them have got access to voter ID cards, different kind of ID proof, which helps to get linked to various government entitlements. More importantly, we have been able to provide 80% of those children who are below 20 years linked to the formal education, which is definitely making a big change in their life. I think that this 10 by 10 approach is really working for us, and we encourage other people also, and we have seen to that how it can be used in their area for their programs. Thank you.